Hello, Oboe Files! Today we're talking about the Ferling Etude number 28, which is the fast one in C minor. And I'm going to be doing it on the English horn because I'm trying to get better at the English horn. I'm noticing that there's a lot of things that I feel comfortable with on the oboe that are a lot harder on the English horn. So, let's talk about the Etude. It's very straightforward. It is basically all running 16th notes. Practice it in the ways that I talk about in these other tutorial videos, and all these skills will transfer right over. The one thing that is a little bit more unique about this one is you do need to be able to voice the low notes really at any point. So I should make a video just on that, but until I get to that, this will be the tutorial on voicing and an exercise for you to get it. So this Etude has a lot of passage work where you're really in a stratosphere, and then you have to come down and play a low note, like in... And so it's really important that you're able to voice on the reed. So on the oboe reed, it's very straightforward. The English horn reed can be a little bit more confusing, but the exercises still work. If you can find those voicings on the reed, you'll be able to voice the registers on the English horn and expect good response. So I hope that's useful on the oboe or the English horn, and I'll continue to keep practicing the English horn, and hopefully I'll be able to play it as fastly as I can the oboe and not have any clunking things. Do you guys play English horn a lot? Do you have any issues with the English horn? Because I am discovering a lot of stuff. If you do, please let me know in the comments, and as always, when in doubt, play beautifully.